Jason here from Storyteller Overland. In this tech tip, we will cover how to use the diesel-fired furnace to heat the cabin and the hot water. The heating system can also be used to keep the gray tank from freezing in cold weather. We will focus on using the furnace as the primary heat source. If the engine is running and at operating temperature, the same procedures are applied without the furnace switch on. This will use the Sprinter engine as the primary heat source. The heating system uses diesel from the Sprinter to fire a small furnace for heating cabin air and heating water. It's important to point out that the diesel-fired furnace will not operate with the Sprinter fuel tank below 1/4 tank of fuel. Here is how you turn the heating system on. The M-Power system must be on to use the heating system, but the inverter can be off. The controls for the heating system are located on the main control panel. The heating system takes a few minutes to reach operating temperature and offer warm air and water. To heat water, simply switch the system to on, then switch the furnace to on, and finally switch the hot water to on. On 2021 and newer models, by briefly pressing the hot water recirc button on the galley, warm water is temporarily recirculated in the lines and will come out quicker. To heat the cabin, simply switch the system to on, then switch the furnace to on. Then select the desired fan speed. Remember, 0 is off. You can set the desired cabin air temperature by toggling the thermostat to heat and using the up-down arrows. Make sure the vent is open and pointed in the direction you prefer. If the system is on, when the thermostat calls for heat, the hot water light will illuminate. If you are driving in freezing conditions, leave the hot water switch in the on position to prevent the gray tank from freezing. With the system switch on, simply turn the furnace switch to off. It is not recommended to drive with the furnace on. Under normal camping conditions, the gray tank is protected while the cabin heat is running. Now let's go over some important things to remember. The number one issue with the furnace is low fuel. You must have over 1/4 tank of fuel in the fuel tank. Second, it is normal for the interior lights to flicker slightly when the furnace is starting or stopping. Never turn off the M-Power system if the furnace is on. Turn the furnace switch off, then wait at least 3 minutes before turning off the M-Power system for the furnace to shut down properly. Always turn off the heater before refueling your mode. And never run the vehicle engine and/or furnace in an enclosed space. If the furnace does not start properly, it will pause and attempt another restart. If the furnace sees certain conditions, it will record the fault and stop attempting to restart. The diesel-fired furnace also monitors itself during operation, and if unexpected conditions occur, the system will record a fault code. If your furnace continues to fail to start, please contact Storyteller through the Mode Life app or our website under the Customer Support section. On certain models, the furnace has a Wi-Fi code reader that you can use to set your furnace into a high altitude mode. Follow the link in this video to learn how. If you have any issues, please use the Mode Life app to schedule a service call or go to StorytellerOverland.com, click Customer Support, and fill out the Help section. All the information covered in this video can also be found in your user guide. For more tech tips and other tricks to get the most out of your Storyteller RV, check our YouTube channel and the Storyteller Overland Insiders and Mode Lifers Facebook group.